We are continuing from where we stopped. So like I was saying, you can bring it an octave down or octave up. That is just giving you, it's giving you two notes, one low and one high. Are you getting it? But what I played initially was a chord, which I will show you how to go about the chord. Now, for you to be able to generate a chord, let me delete the down note. There is this preset. It's been a long time I used it though, but I guess I can help you with that. When you come to this button, go here, just click, and it's going to give you, these are chord progressions. But what we are doing right now is major chord. So, because we've been able to get our root position, let's just go into how to generate a chord from the root. So I'm going to click here. Automatically it gives me three notes, and I'll delete this and push that there. Now that I know this is where it is, I can just click there to get another of these. I taught you the other time, it's just shift and then drag. Automatically it has given me a chord. Wow, that's a triad. Now the next note is the fa. So let's go back there again and tell it I want a major chord. So instead of this fa, I'll just delete and click there. It gives me a chord. I'm deleting this one to do a duplicate. Here, I've done a duplicate. Now we are coming here again. We need a major chord. It's giving me a note. Let's go back again. Tell it I need a major chord. A major chord. Then delete this one. Place it there. It's giving me a major chord. Delete this. Place it there. Sorry. Do a copy and place there. Do a copy again and place there. So I can do, because it's the same note, I can do another copy and place there. Another copy and place there. Now we have a chord. Watch the board. We have a chord progression here and we have notes. So listen to the difference. This single note and this chord. So sometimes you can do that blend in your music. Sometimes you can do that blend. But for the purpose of this class, I need the same chord progression. So I'm just going to delete that and then Control Shift, Control drag, and then Shift and drag to get everything onto this point. Now mind you, this is being played on a root position. There's something we call inversion. We have first inversion, we have second inversion. That I'll be teaching you in the next class. How to invert these chords we played. Now it's sounding a bit piercing, but when I invert it, that is when it's going to sound a bit much more professional. So for the purpose of this class, I'm going to stop with this chord progression here, and then we pause here for you to go for break, and then we come back for the next chord progression. That is the inversion.
Are you interested in learning some multimedia software for video editing, web designing, sound production, animation, illustration, designing, and playing of the piano? It's for free. Just subscribe to Fresh Dream TV on TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. Follow all live class that goes on in the platform. With your PC and attention, in no time you would be a professional in the field. Monday to Friday, 6 to 7 p.m. Not to worry, all videos shall be on the page, so if you miss a class, just go through the page. If you want one-on-one class, you can book for a free. Just contact these numbers 0543 524 173 or 0541 103 651. Thank you.